Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how to bring a picture alive on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To do this you need one effect. For that we'll go to the effect gallery. Okay, so now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see atmosphere. Okay, go there. Okay, and look for this image. You need this filter. Tap on it. Okay, you will be going to the rear camera. Focus it on your picture, and as you can see the picture is alive. So that's it guys. Likewise you can bring a picture alive on TikTok. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then what you can do, let me close this. You have to go to discover and here search for dynamic photo. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can tap on the record button to use this filter likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on the record button and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can bring a picture alive on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.